This is our hydrogen all-in-one machine. First we click the switch. This is the hydrogen absorption mode. There will be a display here. Then let's click adjust. Set the time for hydrogen absorption. The highest can be set for 4 hours. This is the hydrogen absorption mode. Click mode again. Can be switched to hydrogen-rich water mode. This is the display of the water output of 200 milliliters. Click to adjust. Adjustable water output of 350 milliliters up to 500 rm. Click out of water. You can collect to get water again halfway through. Can be suspended. This is clear water mode. Click the mode again to switch the hydrogen absorption mode timing. This is our hydrogen-rich water machine. The one on the right is thermal regulation. We can click on the temperature. Adjust the breastfeeding to 45 degrees. T is 15 degrees. Boiling water is 100 degrees. On the left are small cups, medium cups, and large cups. The small cup is 200 milliliters. The medium cup is 350 milliliters. After adjustment, we click to get water. When the water warning rises, it will automatically stop. Or we manually click to get water. Can be suspended. This is our Zixin water tank. Open the tank lid. We add the Evo purified water or other brands of purified water, and distilled water is okay. The amount of water added is 1 to 2 liters. It is recommended to change the water source every 3 to 5 days. What about changing the water source? We are the one behind. The plug can be removed and drained. After draining, add a new one.